Hello everyone, welcome to Marbles for Autism, and today I will be showing you how to build this marble slalom course. It is a very versatile build. You can use it for almost anything. You can use it for like a marble run, a big long marble run as the end, or you can use it as a simple marble race. Just put a starting gate right here, and then you can have race them down to here. So the materials you will need for this marble slalom course are 2 pieces of wood that are about 1 inch wide and about 1/2 inch thick, so that these will act as your side guards. And then you'll need a whole bunch of nails and a piece of wood that can be any length. You can have the course real short or real long. This is what makes it so versatile. So the first thing you do is you take some nails and pound in the railings. These will keep your marbles in. I finished the first railing and I bent down the nails so that they are safer. And now I will work on the second railing, which I will do the same thing. You just lay it there and then take your nail, or whatever you're doing, maybe a screw. If you want to do, you can do a screw. Just try to line it up and then just hammer it in. So now the next step is pounding in the nails. I've already pounded in 2. The thing is, with these nails, when you're racing marbles, you have to be careful here, because you need to leave enough room so that the marble can get through, or else it will just stop. I've had that happen to me. I want to give it about a finger, the length of your pointer finger in between, give or take. But this will allow the marble to roll freely through. If you just want to play with it, that's totally fine too. But you want to do that all the way along. So, you just check it. See? And that looks good right there. That looks good right there. So now, with the corners here, you have to be very careful. I've seen if you don't put it if you put it too far out, like right here, the marbles will get stuck. So you have to leave enough room for the marble to get around both sides. So that looks about perfect. And then those things, you don't need a giant gap. And then just repeat. So you have 2 rows of nails now, or more. Now you have to be careful with the diagonals. Not only the straight down, but the diagonals, because that's actually the way most marbles want to take. So those look good, those look good. Yep, that's clear. Now I'm going to pound in this row. Well, that's going to be a little close. That fits. Now see, that was a little close. I should have given it a little bit more room. You can see it's not a lot of room to wiggle, but it will be enough. Don't do what I just did. Give it plenty of room. Okay, so I have finished 3 rows. So what you do is you just do it for however long your board is, or you can leave some of the board empty so that the marbles can gain speed before they hit the nails. Now that's also very cool too. So let's see if it works. Yep, works. It's actually kind of cool. One more row of nails. And there we go, that's another row done. That's 4 rows, and that should make a good amount of noise. Cool. And that's all you need to do. Just keep on going until you think you have enough, and this is what makes the marble slalom course so versatile. You can do it as long or as short as you want it. You can make it this long, or you can make it 100 feet long. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing.